Today's installation in Pasadena is a double swing gate with a couple of panels. This gate is motorized. Our arm actuators will open all the way, and after 30 seconds they will close. They are set on a self-closing timer. We do have our little arm operators here, small but powerful, our control box, and the photo eye here for safety, so this gate does not close on pedestrians or cars if somebody's crossing the way while it starts to close. We also installed a keypad. This is of course our aluminum product which we fabricate in our factory in Canoga Park, and our own installation teams install these all over the city and the state. This is a wireless keypad. We don't let the gate close completely, and once it does we will enter a code and there it opens again. Complete installation A to Z. Customer should be here any minute to sign off.